Hello, hello, hello. I'm here to try out this Hampton Art stencil and stamp set. I got this on clearance for $3.49. It was originally $9.99. I think the clearance price is a fairer price for this than the $10 range. Alright. Pull it out of the packaging. You have the stencil part here at the bottom. Alrighty. Here's the stencil. Looks like a tree with bats, a couple of tombstones, and then I'm not sure what that design is. Some type of gothic style looking design. Alright. So obviously this is one of those sticker style stencils. Say that 5 times fast. Sticker style stencils. Ooh, that one went pretty good. So you just peel off the back side of this. If you can get your nail between the two sections. There we go. And then this, yeah, this has some pretty good sticky, as you can see. It's nice and tacky. Anyway, then you put it down and then it holds it really tight so you can stencil. I'm not going to test the stencil out because it's pretty obvious that that would work just fine. But the stamps, that's the true question. How do the stamps do? Alright, so let's see if we can get them off of their backing first safely. Okay, that seemed to go pretty good, and nothing got destroyed, so we're on a good track, good start. All right, let's try the word Halloween. Try to peel it off of the plastic backing. I really wish they could figure out a different way to do that, because sometimes it just doesn't pan out very nice. Okay, got the word Halloween on there. Now let's try here's another Halloween. It's a little smaller, so that'd be a good one to try out. We'll do that right there. And then we'll do this little design right here. Alright, so the stamps themselves are coming up off of the paper fine, off of the plastic sheeting. Well, so let's see how they stamp. Get them nice and juicy. Alright, here we go for the test. Yeah. Let me bring that up there so you can see. Yeah, I think it's stamped pretty nicely. Yeah, I'm happy. I would say that this seems to be a good set. Both items within the set work well. The stamps came off of their backing just fine without tearing or causing a kerfuffle. So yeah, I would recommend this brand, Hampton Art. I will see if I can find a link to them. If I can, I'll place it below. But yeah, let me know if you've ever tried any Hampton Art stamps or stencils and what you thought of them. But yeah, I'd give this a solid 5 out of 5. It's exactly what I would expect. And at the discounted sale price of $3.49, I think it's extremely fair and reasonable. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!